Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the service info on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to see the service info on the Seat Arona Infotainment system. Press the Car button to the right of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the Vehicle Settings and tap Service. You can now see the vehicle ID number, when the next inspection is due and when the car is due its next oil change. You can see the kilometres as well as how many days until due. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.